This is a Fox 17 severe weather alert.
Temperatures right now, for the most part, are in the low to middle 60s. Very warm, about 20 degrees above average. The one exception is Hart, currently at 47, and along the immediate lakeshore towards that area, it is a lot colder. Temperatures, though, that are this warm with this much moisture coming in from the south, surging our dew points up into the low 50s, is what's helping to set the stage for the potential for strong to severe storms starting in about an hour to an hour and a half. There is a line of thunderstorms out across the open waters of Lake Michigan that, if it stays on its current trajectory, would be moving towards Grand Haven and Muskegon and towards the 31 corridor probably within the next hour. This is kind of separate from the main severe weather system that will be coming in the next several hours. Most of those storms are still located through Chicago. For us, isolated strong to severe storm chances through about 11 p.m., but the best environment for anything to be the strongest of that qualification is along and south of 94. After this system passes through, which will be around 11 p.m. to midnight, it's going to become very windy and much colder, and we'll be waking up to some snow tomorrow morning. In general, though, spring starts tomorrow and will be for the first several days of spring on the cool and active side. Here's our main big low pressure system, and areas to the east of it is where the energy is, and that's where we're finding our severe weather threat. It's a broken line of thunderstorms right now moving from eastern Illinois into western Indiana. So far here in West Michigan, no severe thunderstorm watches have been issued, which is a good thing. But again, we're still in that area where we have enough energy to worry about isolated strong to severe storms across the entire area, but especially again closer to I-94 and south, where we just have a little bit more energy. That, in addition to wind and hail, which will be our primary threats, there's a little bit of rotation here, making that brief weak spin up potential non-zero. It's very low, but non-zero, and that's going to be probably the best location to find anything again other than gusty winds or hail. You can see models latching on to this line of storms in Lake Michigan, moving into parts of Muskegon County and into Oceana County in about an hour. And then we have these storms that are down in the south and west, and these are going to be the ones that would have that better severe weather potential moving onshore along and south of 94 between 8 and 9 p.m. This most recent model run keeps everything that looks to be more significant pretty far to the south, and it also exits it a little bit earlier between 10:30 and 11. So we'll just have to keep an eye on the evolution of the energy, but I do think that 94 and south does look to be a much more favorable location for any kind of active weather between 8 and 10 p.m. Once the front comes through too, you will notice it because temperatures take a giant nosedive. We'll be about by 5 o'clock 40 degrees or so. By 9 we'll be in the mid 30s, and that's also when we're going to start to see that snow falling. There is a wind advisory that starts at 2 a.m. after the front comes through for non-thunderstorm gusty winds. They're going to be sustained along the lakeshore from 15 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts, though, upwards of 50. So you combine that with the snow falling, and that's going to mean limited visibility for the early morning hours. Snow will be exiting very quickly, though, probably around noon. Very little accumulations expected. It's just going to be one of those days where we're getting a little bit of everything. Cool and active into early next week.